Hello, my name is Cedar and welcome to another Cedar review. In this review, we will be reviewing the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Secret of the Ooze Tokka and Rahzar set. We will be joined by my dad and my sister. Come on, smile.
Hello.
So, this is the set that, how'd you get this?
Pre-ordered it.
So, where did you get this from?
NECA.
Because this looks really cool. So, my dad got this, and it arrived a couple days ago.
We ordered it in June or July.
Wait, what? So it's been like a couple months.
Yeah, we just got it a couple days ago.
There's some.
Which is perfect timing for Christmas.
On the back of right here, there's Can you see those artwork? It's pretty cool. You have the scene from the movie where they try and hide the stuff in the food. There is the oh yeah, this is from one shot in the movie where he's holding the piece of wood, smacking stuff. And let's just get right into opening it. Yes, we got to.
So we're opening this one?
Yes, we're opening this one.
Okay.
You can open that. And
So these are obviously some really cool characters that we've been waiting for to add to
Why did you get two?
the rest of them.
so
Why did
we
we
can
get
keep
two?
one boxed and the other unboxed.
That's right.
So we can play with one and keep the other.
There we go. We need to cut some.
Mama.
That I can't really do the thing from the movie. It's hard.
Mama.
It's funny when they're saying that to Shredder, so
Shredder is their mama.
You just said the boy. Is Cedar boy?
they did a really good job on the shell.
Wait, it's
Shredder is a boy.
They did a really good job
How
on
do
the
you
shell.
know?
And what?
He's their mama.
Oh look! They're fancy actual things. Here.
So why don't you keep talking about the box while I cut some?
Told you we should open it before the video. There's some artwork with them there. Let's see. Oh, the battle scene.
What's he?
The battle scene. There is the
What's bouncing?
on the back. He's got the broken down like armor, like the car piece. I think that is. Yeah, that's a car piece. That's it almost looks like a tire thing for their shield. I like this shot. This one
Where's the tire?
and this one.
So here is.
Oh, the first thing's coming out. Oh, the shell's spiky.
Can I touch it?
Careful not to touch it.
Can I touch it?
Look how cool the shell is.
Can I touch it?
Okay,
That's Tokka.
this is Tokka.
I always get the two mixed up actually, but I'm pretty sure that's Tokka.
Yeah, with
That looks like raspberry.
this is Tokka. He's got his super spiky shell. His really cool mouth. He got some like almost like the Ninja Turtles piece right here. He got the bandages on his arm. He's got 360 rotating wrists. He's got his
Wait, 360?
he's got his elbows jointed back. Articulation. His feet have none, but they do bend a tiny bit this way.
His feet don't articulate? I thought they do. They bend.
Not this part. Not the actual like foot part, but the lower part of the leg. Yes, it
The
bends.
ankle does, right?
No. Oh yeah, the ankle actually does. Wait, I think I'm not sure
Yeah,
though.
it does. It does.
Oh, it does. Okay, it's just kind of hard, but I guess it can be bent. He Ooh, I think you can almost open his mouth. Yeah. They did a good job on the tongue. Look at the tongue.
Okay.
Wait, is that?
His
So
red eyes.
His mouth should open and his eyebrows should be able to move.
His eyebrows?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look, it's cool. You can actually move these right here.
I want to see.
Here,
Why don't you grab one of them, Chutch?
here's Rahzar. He's got a kind of opening mouth. His arms. Oh yeah, his legs are much easier to move and stuff. Yep.
Wait, I want to see the donuts.
He's got all
What are
his
those?
armor piece.
The donuts are
The
there.
it's actually real chain here.
And here's the donut that they hide the stuff that's supposed to make them fall asleep.
There.
Or was it
destroy
was it
them.
mutagen?
Yeah.
Anti-reverse mutagen, right?
And then there's the donuts.
That's the reverse mutagen that's supposed to make them turn back into cute little animals.
And then,
There's a stick,
oh, the stick.
metal bar,
We want it. We want it.
The shield. The shield's actually
This is
got this
finally what they spray them with during
there.
the Vanilla Ice concert.
oh, the fire hydrant. That's cool. They do this NECA does amazing jobs on the I just like the detail. Like look, every single piece of furs just got all this detail. It's amazing.
You can't have donuts without a donut box.
Oh, that's cool.
Do the donuts actually fit in there?
We'll find out.
What if, yeah, the donuts actually go in there? That would be cool.
Here, this is the donut box. Wait. It's just a piece of cardboard, so I gotta be very careful.
So the donut box is not the most, like, one of the most usable things, but,
It stores donuts.
yeah. Yeah, like the detail on like the shoulder pads and all this stuff is really nice.
Let's see how he does. Oh, his elbow's backwards. Let's get your elbow.
Oh,
There we go.
The donuts don't fit in the
Ow,
box.
that was
the
sharp.
donuts actually don't fit. Oh yeah, the shell is super
Maybe the
sharp.
anti-mutant donut will fit.
So this is how he talks. He goes, Ma,
Ma,
Mama, Mama.
cool new sweater.
That is fun.
Ah, there goes the
Victory Royale. Fortnite sweater. Yeah, the shell is actually incredibly sharp. Like, and each of these spikes.
Yeah, is this supposed to be like that?
Ooh.
What? Did you break
Yes.
it?
No, they are
No.
sharp. They are.
Oh, it's supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Ma,
If you see it, these are like this.
Mama.
So
Mama.
Rahzar can hold the shield. Oh, there's actually in the box. This there's just like tons of different hands for Rahzar and a couple different hands for
take the mutagen
Tokka.
out.
And then there's the mutagen
Just
bottle.
trying to get it out.
That thing is actually kind of hard to get out. This type of thing. But oh yeah. Let me give you guys a close-up on this wood here.
TGRI.
Like, look at the job they did on this wood.
I thought it was real wood.
They've got like termite holes. I think you have to use a different hand to make him hold it. Be like, rah, boom, boom. I shall destroy you. Boom, boom, boom.
So we can't wait to put these with our other figures and do some.
I want to play with some.
These actually
Some
stand
photos?
much easier than some of the other toys.
Yes.
It's really easy to get these guys to stand.
Who's gonna have the shield?
Just put the stuff here.
The shield is Rahzar.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, my spiky shield.
And where's the donuts? The box is here. The donuts. Can you see the donuts? There's the box.
Yep. This is the
Mutagen.
donut box.
So
Fire hydrants.
were these guys
Just
worth the
everything
wait?
else.
I would
Boom,
say
boom, boom.
definitely. They're so awesome. I mean, they look exactly like they did in the movie. So whenever figures are made to look exactly like they are supposed to, it's always a treat. Really love these guys. What are you doing with the other box?
You'll see. So that's our review on the Tokka and Rahzar set. It's a really cool set. And, well, that's it. Mama!